Hello, welcome back. Today I'm gonna talk about modes on your electric guitar. So looking at your electric guitar, the basic settings you will see the pickup, the tone knob, and the switch. That is the pickup selector switch. So mode is basically a way to add your own settings to the original settings that came with the electric guitar. Looking at it here, is speaking. If you put this is a 5-way switch. There are some that have 3-way switch, which means it have only it have two humbucker like response guitar. It have one humbucker as the neck, one as the bridge. There is no middle, so you are basically picking if it is on the neck, it is picking only the neck. If it is on the middle, it is picking the neck and the bridge. If it's on the bridge, it's picking only the bridge. That is basically for response type of guitar. Then the normal Strat 5-way switch, if it's on here, it is picking the neck. If it's on here, it is picking the neck and the middle. That is on select 4. If it's on select 3, it is picking the middle pickup only. If it's on 2, it is picking the middle and the bridge. If it's on 1, it is picking only the bridge pickup. That is the bridge. So that is the basic settings you normally have. So in some guitar, you will see single coil, single coil, single coil, which Strat normally comes with. Some guitar you will see single coil, and humbucker. But this one, you have the humbucker, single coil, and humbucker, which gives us a lot of settings to work with. So in modes, someone can decide to emulate other type of guitar using this type of guitar. So the person might decide to put a switch. These are the switch. The work of this switch is to bridge the pickup together. My basic settings is like it's on the neck now. This is the sound. If you put it here, let me raise the volume. So now let's take a look and see how it works. So it is on the neck now. If you put it on the 4, it is picking the neck and the middle. That is the middle and bridge. The bridge. So that is the basic settings you have. So for you to add mode to emulate other guitars like the Les Paul style, which you want to pick here and here, that is the time you begin to add mode. Like this, my guitar, I added a lot of modes. First, I added a mode. Let me on my mode. I added a mode to give me this pickup and this pickup together at once. So if I on this, the mode is now on. It's off. It's on. Which is giving me here and here. So if I put here, it is giving me this one, this one, and this one all at once. At once. So now you can decide to add a coil split, which means you want to split these two pickup as one. So I added a coil split, which means if I'm on the neck, I can decide to split the neck. I split it. I'm picking the neck, but I'm picking it this one. I'm not using the two now. The two is on. One is on. So it is now serving as a normal strat. So with this now, I now have a combination of strat type of guitar. For example, I can decide to have a Telecaster style with this now. I can engage the 7 mode here. I'm now picking a single and a humbucker. I can decide to pick single here and single here. I can decide to pick single here, and single here. So that is what mode is all about. It's all about changing the configuration. So I can also decide not to pick it in a parallel settings. For example now, if I put it here, it means the bridge, it means the neck and the middle are in parallel. I can decide not to have it in parallel. I can decide to have it in serial. I can on the serial. So I'm picking the neck and the middle as serial now. That is what mode is all about. So mode is all about having your own custom pickup selecting, so you can be able to emulate other type of guitars. That is the pickup of other type of guitars, like Telecaster. You can see some have humbucker, or single coil and humbucker. So the work of a mode is for you to be able to emulate those type of settings in your own particular guitar.